everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you all how to make this beautiful chocolate ganache cake. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. So firstly, we'll put some chocolate ganache on the cake board and spread it evenly with an offset palette knife. Then we'll keep the first layer of the cake. If you want to know how I made this chocolate cake, the link will be given in the description box. We will soak the cake with sugar syrup. Then we will put the chocolate ganache. I have put my ganache in a piping bag and I am putting swirls of the ganache on the cake. Then we will smooth that with a palette knife. If you want to know how I made this ganache, the link will be given in the description box. Then we are going to repeat the same steps, keeping the cake, soaking it with sugar syrup, and apply a generous amount of chocolate ganache. Smooth that too. Then we will place the last layer, soak that with sugar syrup. We'll put the ganache on the top as well as on the sides of the cake. Wherever you can see gaps, you have to put chocolate ganache. Now we'll take a scraper and scrape off the excess from the cake. Now we'll clean the cake board with the tissue paper. As one can see, our cake is looking so perfect, and now is the time to decorate the cake. We have taken some golden dust mixed with evaporocks. Now we will start painting on the top. If you want to know how I made this evaporocks with golden dust, I will be posting it on my Instagram, so stay tuned over there too. You all can follow me for greater tips and more. Now we'll take some rose gold flakes and start placing it on the cake as shown in the video. Now we will take a rice paper and place it on the cake. Press this with light hands. If you want to know how I made this rice paper, there is a link given in the description. You all can check that too. Now I am putting some gold sprinkles on the top of the cake. To complete this cake, I am putting a happy birthday topper on the corner. Your cake is now ready. You all can cut this cake and have fun. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below.